Hey everyone, Rohan here, your favorite co founder of Deolite. Today we'll be building a marketplace through the use of Alpha. So I have a prompt with me, generate me a marketplace for multiple listings, checkout, and payment pages. Can also add product detail. I think this will be good enough. And then let's look how it figures things out. I'll create a marketplace with multiple listings, product details, checkout, payment pages using React, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS. So let's see what it does. That's the question. So I think it'll take a bit of time, but I'm sure that the product will be quite good and hoping for the best. I think we're almost there. Product pages, product detail pages, almost closing in on that. I think there's a price filter, there's a category filter. I think we can use all of that. There's a cart page, checkout page. So you can see all of these pages also being created. Really am interested how it will all connect together. Would be really nice. Yeah, I think we're here. And let's see. We have a featured product session, shop by category, go on fashion. Does that work? Okay, that works. Nice. And does the filter work? Yeah, it does. Okay, pretty good. Can I do this also? It's nice. Can I click on wireless headphones? I can. On to, I think add to cart page is not there, or is there a way? I don't know. I had told it to create a payment page. I think it missed out on that. This is there. I think this is it is integrated with this. And proceed to checkout page is also there. But through that, I think that missed. But otherwise, I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, I think clicked it on for 8 times. It kind of had that information also. Let's try something more. Can I remove this? Okay, I can do that. I can clear the cart, continue shopping. Acha, if I click on this, it will add here instead of taking me to the checkout, and I can see it here. I can add two smartphones, put all the detail. Let me see how well that is. Okay, nice, nice, pretty good. Okay, I need to fill in the 9999999999999. Deolite 030. What's the date? 0804123. See, it works. Your complete end-to-end front end for a marketplace is here today.